For number 9, automatically you should, after reading it, you should realize that it's one of those work problems. And let's see what we have here. Defining your variables. You can fold pizza boxes 4 times as fast as your friend. So if your friend takes X, I don't know, minutes, hours, X hours, then you 4 times as fast as that. If your friend takes 3 hours, you're not going to take 12 hours, so you wouldn't put yourself as 4x. So your friend would actually be 4 times the amount as you. So in doing this, I would say that if you let yourself be X hours, then your friend would actually be 4x hours. So if you think about that, if you take 2 hours to fold pizza boxes, then your friend would take 4 times that, so 8 hours. So you fold pizza boxes 4 times as fast as your friend. So this is important because a lot of times you'll have your friend, students will put friend X and then you 4x because it's 4 times as fast. But you got to think of this in terms of what it really would be. Again, you're faster than your friend, faster. So you have to be a less number of hours than your friend. So anyway, once we determine that, together you guys can fold 825 boxes. So we'll consider that as one job. So you guys can complete one job in 3 hours. So the time together equals 3. So the time together equals 3 hours. Well, remember the equation that we solve is the time together over the time alone plus the time together over the time alone. That's one job. So then time together is 3 hours over your friend, let's say 4x, plus the time together 3 hours times over the amount of time it takes you alone. So that's our equation to solve. And so showing the steps for that equation, this is just another one of those rational equations that we've been solving over and over again. So we look at find our lowest common denominator, that's 4 times x, and we multiply both sides by 4 times x. When we do that, we can see that this 4x cancels with that 4x, and so 4x over 4x is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. This x cancels with that x right there, and we're left with a 4, so we're left with 4 times 3. And then 1 times 4x is 4x. So we end up getting 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is 15, and we get 15 equals 4x. Well, if 15 equals 4x, then x is equal to 15 over 4. So 15 over 4 goes into 15 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12 with 3 remaining. 3 3/4 hours. Well, 3 3/4 hours, 3/4 of an hour, something equals 60. How many minutes? So 4 times 15 is 60 minutes. 3 times 15 is 45 minutes. So that's really 3 hours, 45 minutes. You don't usually hear people say 3 3/4 hours. You say 3 1/4 hours. Yeah, but 3 3/4 hours, you're 3 hours, 45 minutes. So interpret the answer using a complete sentence. How long would it take? You just have to read the question. How long would it take each of you working alone to complete the job? So if x is 3 hours and 45 minutes. So 4x would be 4 times that amount. Well, that's kind of a pain. Let's do it like this though. 4 times that amount. Don't multiply 3 hours 45 minutes times 4. Take 15 over 4 times 4. 15 over 4 times 4 is the 4's cancel. The 4's cancel and we get 15. So it actually takes your friend 15 hours because your friend is 4 times takes 4 times as long as you do, and you take 3 hours 45 minutes. So how long would it take each of you working alone to complete the job? It would take me, how about it would take my friend 15 hours. It would take my friend 15 hours and it would take me 3 hours, 45 minutes to fold 825 boxes. That's it.